So this is how I know for sure that we are not in a full-fledged altcoin season yet. And of course, this video has to do with XRP, guys. A lot of people asking questions like, how is XRP down today? If altcoin season's beginning, Ethereum's ripping, all of these Ethereum ecosystem tokens, they're moving up. And why is XRP lagging? Like, what's going on? What's the basis of all of this? How do we know kind of where we are right now? And I'm telling you guys, there are some big signals that tell me that we are still very, very early within the altcoin push, right? And a lot of it has to do with the way liquidity is moving and the amount of liquidity that's actually here. Okay, so let me explain. Real quick, guys, hit the like button, subscribe down below. You guys know I'm here for you guys every single day, both the XRP army, but crypto in general. I've got you guys updated every single day. You can count on me. So lock us in as one of those channels you can come back to every single day. But I've been saying this for a little while now, right? And I want to reiterate it here in a couple different ways in the video. We are still in a very Bitcoin dominant, Bitcoin driven cycle right now. The money that's going through altcoins is literally just liquidity grabs. They'll shuffle into various assets and then they'll flush out. They'll come into different assets, then they'll flush out. Then they'll move to this one, then that one, then this one, and that one. It's market manipulation at its finest. XRP had its little run a few days ago. It made its run from like 208, 210, back up to like 230 and some change. Now it's Ethereum's turn. And we continue to see this liquidity drain and then liquidity pump in other sectors. But that's also how I know we're still super early. XRP had its massive run up in November. Now it's cooled down. It's basically been trending sideways. We're waiting for that next leg up. We're waiting for that next big liquidity push. Liquidity that actually comes in and stays in the market though. That's the thing we're waiting on. A lot of potential catalyst out there. I do think we're still looking at the back half of this year for when most altcoins, if not a lot of the top altcoins, move together in unison. We need liquidity back in the market. We need retail back in the market. The retail that is here, they're staying in XRP. There's just not a lot of new money coming in. They slowly are. But that's why we're seeing XRP down today, while some other assets, especially Ethereum and its ecosystem tokens, if you look at Uniswap, Pepe, Aave, Compound, a lot of these DeFi protocols on ETH are going to pump hard when ETH pumps. And, I mentioned this early on in my previous video today and also on the Crypto Breakfast Club. Anytime Ethereum pumps, I am going to take advantage of what else is pumping behind it because it's going to pump up higher. And that allows me then to make some quick gains and some trades and then put it back into my high conviction plays like XRP, like Bitcoin, etc. So that's what's going on right now in the markets. It's not a time to panic. It's just a time to realize where we are. Things are slowly gearing up. We're starting to see money slowly kind of shift into alts, but Bitcoin's still 63% dominant, guys. There's still a lot of time here. For XRP in particular, as long as we stay above the $2 level, I'm not getting bent out of shape. We've been trending and channeling in this, tight window for a while. It's nothing to worry about. And that's it. Now, what we're watching for on XRP in order to maybe see an extension up to like 260, we need to close above 235. We did get some momentum up signals. I'm not convinced just yet, but do check out XTLGO, my trading indicator, because when those sort of signals are solidified, it's a great opportunity to get in early before the pump. XTLGO is my trading software. You can get into it for $1 a day. I've also got a bunch of trading exchanges out there for you to actually do the trades. BTCC and Bitify, both those links are down below. Great places to do futures trading and spot trading, whatever you like. I'm not quite there, but if we get a little bit of a shift, a couple things go our way, either later tonight or into tomorrow with CPI data coming, we could be getting some nice buy signals, okay? But even if we're getting signals to sell off, those are beneficial too, because they allow us to then find the local bottom to bring it back up and find some good entry points. So again, check out XTLGO, check out my exchanges if you want to trade with me over at the same places I'm trading. But that's why XRP is down today. It doesn't get me, thinking, oh my gosh, why isn't XRP moving without, it's just the amount of liquidity that's going on right now. It's just shuffling in and out of ecosystems. As we get closer, I think toward the back half of this year, we're going to have a lot of things unlocked for XRP and for the rest of the markets, including ETFs, regulatory clarity. Until then, I'm trying to find good spots in the market to either make some trades or stack for when that 2 to 3, 4 month stretch happens where everything starts to take off. Keep it simple, guys. I appreciate you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.